Hey guys, Strider with Striguyz Repairs, officially in business. Come down to the Wilmot Community Center. There's 1 hour left, and tomorrow we'll be at Sunset Ice Cream Parlor, and then the day after that we'll be in Charlottetown at the Charlottetown Farmers Market. And those dates: today the 18th, tomorrow the 19th, and then the 20th. Thank you guys so much. Hope to see you there. And here we have some of the smaller amenities, like little parachute aliens, parachute guys, glue, some foam gliders, little dragon things. I think that's what they're called. Then we have display. Then we have a bunch of HO steel engines and train cars. Then we have a little track and old controller here. And then we just have some more display with a whole bunch of models. Well, that's hope you guys come down to see us at the farmers market tomorrow or today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Striguyz out.